Hello, my name is Nate, and I am the Professional Development and Training Specialist here at Flat for Education. Today, I want to show you how to use our new PDF uploader tool, which comes included in your subscription. The PDF uploader is a way for you to upload notation or scores that you would like to use as actionable material. You can turn them into performance assessments, composition assessments, or if you just want to leave them as scores in your library for use later, that is good too. To find the PDF uploader, you're going to want to navigate to the score library. So from the welcome page here, you go to score library. In the create score button, when you click it, there is an option to import PDF. This brings up the information bubble where only one PDF file can be uploaded at a time. It must not exceed 10 pages. It must be clear and legible, and it cannot be handwritten or a landscape orientation. So your typical jazz charts will not be fun in the platform. And then finally, most importantly, you must handle licensed content responsibly. We do not support you uploading taken material that you do not have permission to use. So in this case, I'm going to go to IMSLP, which is an open source location for finding music in the public domain. For this example, I found Duerme Niño, a Spanish language 4-part harmony song. As you can see on the side, this score is about 10 pages, but the only notation that is there is pages 5 through 8. So instead of uploading all of these blank pages, I'm only going to upload pages 5 and 8. This can be done by going to the print option, save as a PDF, going to custom, and I only want pages 5 through 8. Once I hit save, I'll be prompted to title it. And now in my downloads, I will have a version of this score. So going to my PDF uploads folder, I'm going to import a PDF, continue, and select the PDF I uploaded. You will see it spin here in the bottom. The pages, it takes about a minute to a minute and a half per page. So this upload should take anywhere between 3 and 5 minutes. That doesn't mean you can't use Flat for Education while that's happening. If you hit refresh, it will still spin. So to save you some time here, I've already uploaded the score, and I want to show you how accurate it is. If I now split my screen and bring IMSLP over here, we'll be able to compare how the scores look. Here is what we uploaded, and here is what it took from. As you can see, it is not perfect, but it's close. So for part 1 here, it did take the quarter note equals 60 and turn it into a grace note. Very easy to delete. If you go here, click on it, and hit delete, they'll go away. And it missed the slur. So if I want to highlight that, fix that, very simple. You definitely want to, anytime you use the PDF uploader, just check through the music. It will pull most things correctly, but there is the occasional time where it misses a fermata. And you get to add those back. So please enjoy using the PDF uploader to include some of your favorite pieces for your students or for yourself. And I'll see you next time.